Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at Tesla on the daily and weekly time frame. And another rejection from the 200-day moving average resistance. So that makes 4 out of the last 6 days rejected from that level, 220.71. And 3 out of the last 5 days have bounced off the 100-day support at 214.47. So that is the channel we find ourselves in. A bullish close above resistance, and we'll be looking for short-term upside. And a bearish close below support, and we'll be looking for some downside. The current pattern is favoring the bears for a couple reasons. Number one, the break here of the higher low pattern on this bounce, 215.18, 215.45. As soon as those levels broke, that's a lower low breaking the higher low pattern. So that's point number one for the bears. Obviously, the rejections and long upper wicks of profit taking. Point number two, bearish MACD cross occurred once that level was broken. And the weekly time frame, we're in a tight channel here as well. 217.62 middle Bollinger Band support, and 10-week resistance of 223.33. So the next point that goes for the bears is the fact that there are 6 moving average resistances on the daily and weekly time frame combined. Make that 7, including the 50-day, between 220 and 228. So the bulls have 7 moving average resistances to break through for a bullish break, and 2 moving average supports, the 100-day and the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly, to break for a bearish break. So that alone, 2 versus 7, and that break of the higher high and higher low pattern is having me lean bearish personally. But that being said, strong momentum to the upside today. We could definitely see that 200-day become support short term. But even if that occurs, like I said, we've got the 228 50-day moving average. We've got the weekly 50-week moving average at 225 and the 100-week in the upper 228s as well. Bearish MACD on the weekly time frame. So you get the idea. Still holding up. If I were in this position bullish, I would not be exiting until that support was lost. But I'm not going to be making a bullish entry in Tesla anytime soon unless we get above 228 and above clear moving average resistances. So that's what is on tap here for Tesla. We'll certainly be watching very closely, and we'll see how it pans out. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.